In this tutorial, we're going to create ProductionCrate's pre-keyed social media lower thirds. I'll show you how to insert text in the lower third, and let's begin. So let's grab some video footage. We'll take this one here first. Take the first track. Let's insert 2 video tracks. Now let's start with we'll start with Facebook. This is the lower third. Let's get rid of the black background by clicking Event FX. Select Vegas chroma key. Select the blue. Get the eyedropper and sample it. Get rid of the black background. Okay, now let's insert text media. This is a Facebook one. We're going to call this, just for the heck of it, Facebook. Tips. We'll change the color to black. And reduce the font size 22. Make sure this is the full length of the lower third, but leave some of the base at the beginning here, because the lower third doesn't start coming in. I don't want to insert the text in the lower third until the lower third is completely loaded. It's completely loaded right here. Almost completely loaded. Yeah, loaded right there. So let's go to track motion. Make sure sync cursor is not enabled, or else it's going to screw everything all up. So let's shrink this down. Let's place it on the lower third. Still looks a little too big. It's getting better here. Looks good there. Okay, now let's go to transitions. Select gradient wipe. And then we want to push this in from the left to the right. Right here. So get that cursor out of the way. So left to the right. And we want to exit. It's going to close out from the right to the left. So drag this one to the very end. And play it back. Okay, we're going to make this transition a little longer. Let's try this again. Just a little bit longer. Oops. Try again. This should be it. good. Okay, let's go back to project media. Now the rest is simple. Grab another track. Got this one here. Do a crossfade, say one should be fine. Now let's get another lower third. So you got Facebook. So you got this one here is Instagram. Go Instagram here. Now the easy part now, to go back to Event FX. Go to Chroma here. Get rid of the black background. The easy part here is now just copying this. Copy it. And paste it. All you have to do is change this to Instagram. So I'm going to put it back. And just continue doing that with the other ones you want to insert, where other social media, Twitch, LinkedIn, etc. I got these from ProductionCrate. I have a pro membership with ProductionCrate, and it only costs $49 a year. It sounds like a lot of money, but it's not. It works out to be $4 a month. And for $4 a month, you have a huge library of assets. You got, like I said, the lower thirds. You got special effects. You got music, sound effects. There's lots of effects on the site that you will use in your video editing projects. So it's worth, for $4 a month. I haven't found another site out there for such a great price and has so much to offer. It's just to me, it's a no-brainer. But it's up to you if you want to purchase them or not. And anyways, so if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.